Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check Windows updates and make sure your account has admin rights. Once done, save work because you'll restart Explorer. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S, select Processes, find Windows Explorer and click Restart. This step refreshes the shell and often returns missing icons. If Explorer isn't visible, use File Run New Task, type Explorer. EXE and run. Make sure to observe whether icons reappear before continuing to deeper fixes. Next, perform deeper repairs that address persistent issues. Rebuild the icon cache. Close Explorer, delete icon cache files and app data oming and local, then restart Explorer. This forces regeneration. Inspect taskbar settings in Settings Personalization. Check overflow, badge visibility, and pinned app behavior because hidden app logic can hide icons. Run System Integrity Tools. In Admin PowerShell, run sfc/scano. And if issues persist, use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These actions, to finish, verify whether the problem is profile-specific by creating a new local admin user and testing the taskbar. If it works, migrate settings rather than reinstalling. If necessary, and after exporting the registry, apply a carefully documented registry, reset for taskbar settings, and restart Explorer. Make sure to back up data. If icons still don't show, restore to a recent system restore point or consider an in-place repair install. One key troubleshooting tip: always test changes after each step so you know what fixed or broke the taskbar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.